In this video, I'm gonna show you how to share the Wi-Fi password on the Oppo Reno 8 Lite. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Wi-Fi settings, and there's actually a few ways we can access it. The first one is to scroll down our toolbar or a notification bar, and here we can find the Wi-Fi. Hold your finger onto it, and right here we can see our Wi-Fi settings. The second way is to open settings. From here, find Wi-Fi, select it, and here we can also access them. Now if you want to share a Wi-Fi password, we'll need to press on this info right here, and here search for Wi-Fi QR code. After a few seconds of waiting, because this actually wants to see my face, let's try the password. We'll be able to see this QR code. Now I'll bring up my phone, and here's my Redmi Note 11 Pro, and in order to scan this QR code and open this Wi-Fi, we'll need to go to the Wi-Fi as well. Click on this scan icon. Now let's scan this right here like this. Connect, and we're connected to this same network. Now there was some trouble. Let's try that again. If you can't scan it because it seems it has a problem, you can also see the password right here. So let's type it in. Click connect, and we're connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.